welcome to Best Hair. Don't turn the channel, it really is me. How about this cute modern crop style? What do you think? This is an exclusive sneak peek of BECKETT, a brand new style at Paula Young. And if you want to learn more, then stay tuned. Alright, I want to go ahead and thank Paula Young for sponsoring this video tonight. They sent me this beautiful BECKETT. It is a brand new exclusive sneak peek, and it should be coming out in your catalog next week. And how fun is this? This is in that exclusive color, 24101 HS6. That's Vanilla Swirl. And that is an exclusive Paula Young color, and she is available in a few different styles. And this is one of them. And I really wanted to try it, so I was so excited to get this. And wow, how fun is this? So if you guys want to see how I got it from the box to my head, take a look at this. It really is just a shake and go style. I love it. I love that it's a modern and edgy cropped cut, but it also kind of has that 60s mod retro vibe to me, which I really love. And let's just talk about this beautiful color, Vanilla Swirl. You know, I did that transition to silver video, and this is another great one that could transition to silver. So we have this little bit of rooting here, but then it's these beautiful blonde tones, and it is so pretty. And she has those whisper light fibers. So those are half the width of your traditional synthetic. So it's so soft, it's so lightweight, a great spring and summer wig, or even winter. I love the shorter styles to pair with the scarves. You're not getting any friction from this. So that is just a great feature. And it's so much fun to change it up. So there's just a little bit of permatease up in the top here, and that really helps give us the layers a little bit of a lift. Now you can use your Wig Safe hairspray or wig wax spray and really piece out these layers as you like. But I love how the cut frames the face, and I'll spin so you can see. You can see this fullness here, so you could really piece that out if you wanted to. And then in the nape, it comes down. So I like that a lot. It gives you a little bit of neck coverage. So I'll show you on the sides here how the sides actually come below my ear. But it's a super easy ear tuck. And I like that. And so you could actually take one of the longer sides and do a tuck as well and just keep it over on one side. There are really a lot of fun styling options that you could do. You could certainly do it just over to one side or the other side. It's a basic cap, so you've got your permatease here that's going to cover and disguise the wefting. So I mean, like I said, just using your fingers. I mean, this is just fun. You can get it really big if that's what you're going for. And then just bring it right back down. Do a little bit of spray. And your style is set. I mean, that is super easy. You all know that I tend to wear the longer styles, but I tell you what, it's really fun to have these cute cropped styles. especially for summer when it's warm outside, and it's cool, it's lightweight with the Whisper Light fibers, and everything is covered. I don't think anybody is going to know that you are wearing a wig. I think it looks super natural. I am super impressed with this style. I love that Paula Young is offering us these trendy, fashion-forward styles, and they fit our budget, which is fantastic. You can just walk out the door and know that you are looking pretty darn cool. All right, so I want to tell you guys about the great ways that you can now shop at Paula Young. So you know that I like to shop at paulayoung.com, but now they also have their catalog online in a digital form. So if you love shopping the catalog, you can just click right there and turn the pages online on your digital catalog. That is a great way to shop. And of course, you're always going to have your catalog that comes in the mail, which I don't know about you, but I love that. It's so fun to get it and look and see what new styles are in there and what kind of deals they may have. But I am so excited to tell you guys that you can always use my discount code BBH20, and that is going to give you 20% off each wig, $49.99 and over, excluding clearance at Paula Young. So every time you shop, you know that you can always get a discount using BBH20. And I am beyond excited to share that with all of you. Just a thank you for all of your support for the last 2 years. It's been so wonderful, and I can't thank you enough, and I can't thank Paula Young enough. So I hope that you enjoyed this look at BECKETT, this cute modern style, and I hope that you love the color. I know I do. And I'm so excited to get the new catalog and see what other new styles are available. I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.